My name is Tenderness, and everybody call me Maya. I am the lead servant for mission advancement for the whole St. Joseph family. So I am a member of the HEF board. I am the liaison between HEF and Haiti. St. Joseph done a lot for me by being a Restavex and find my way to the street, and then from the street to a detention center, and I had the privilege to meet Michael Gardenfeld, who is the founder of the St. Joseph Home for Boys. He took me to St. Joseph when I was 13 years old. So coming to St. Joseph, it was a new beginning, a new journey, a new life, because it was there that I started going to school. It was at St. Joseph that I learned about loving, care, and about that I have value. God blessed me by providing me with a good family. I have my wife. Her name is Rosemela, and everybody call her Lala. She's a very beautiful woman, lovely woman. And I also have a son. His name is Haitian Timoun. He is a very great boy. He's learning. He's in school. He's in fourth grade, and he's doing well. He's doing good. So I see a great future to my family, to my son. So HEF is really partners with the St. Joseph. They care, and for example, whenever we have a problem, we need support, soon we call HEF. They're always present. And HEF was the first organizations that came to Jacmel to provide, to bring water supplies, medicine supplies, and food supplies, and tent for the people in Jacmel. So HEF really a grassroots organizations that really care for the Haitian people, as their goal is one day that all may have life. That means where there will be no suffering, no poverty, no kids without going to school, where every child will be treated equal and fairly.